Alright, what's up guys? It's Evan from How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to improve and increase your height on a backflip. So the first step is getting strong legs. You're not going to be able to jump high without strong legs. So I recommend going to the gym, doing squats, any type of leg exercise. Doesn't have to be anything special, just getting your legs stronger. So doing squats, leg press, lunges, whatever it is, it doesn't even matter. You can even do it at home. Just getting your legs stronger. The second thing is to be jumping a lot. I know when I was younger, I used to jump all the time. I'd just see how high I can touch, and just be jumping a lot, and that'll get your vertical up. So yeah, with those things combined and a good technique, you should have a pretty good high backflip. All right, so for the technique, the most important thing is your arms. When you're doing a backflip, if you don't throw your arms hard and straight up, you're not gonna have a high backflip. So I see a lot of kids that will be like this and not use their arms. Here, I'll give you an example. Like this. Like, see how you do that? I'm just like not even using my arms at all. And that's how people don't get a high backflip. Okay? So, arms, most important thing. Should be straight up, and also setting. Making sure that your head stays neutral, and that you're, like for the first part of the backflip, make sure that you're getting that first like initial jump to make sure that, you know, you're getting that height. So yeah, with the head, make sure it stays neutral is one of the most important things, because if you throw your head back like that, it's gonna kill your height. So basically, when I do a backflip, I just do my normal standing jump like that, and I'm just jumping as high as I can. Okay? So when you're going, you don't want to go too low either. When you're doing it, you don't want to go here and that. It's just gonna kill your height. And you don't want to do too little. Like, just do that, like almost a standing backflip without using your knees. So you want to make sure that you get a good jump, just like your normal vertical standing jump. All right, that's pretty much it. You just got to drill the backflip, do a bunch every day. Just keep doing them, and eventually it'll just keep getting better and better. But along with going to the gym, jumping, using all the techniques, throwing your arms, setting, all that, and you'll increase your backflip height tremendously. All right, so I'll show you. I don't know how high this is gonna be since I just woke up, but I'll do another one. I'll play this in slow motion so you can see how my arms are throwing up, my head stays neutral, and I'm exploding off the ground. Alright guys, that's the video. That's how to improve and increase your height on a backflip. Thanks for watching.